Good guys, back with another video. Putting in new bulbs so they're not yellow going down the road, and it started to rain, but we'll get it done. These need new seals because it's getting water in them. I figured that was gonna happen, but yeah. Got both taillights out. This side isn't leaking and this side still is. I don't know why. No idea. I'm gonna take the rest of this paper off and make sure, but it has seals. They're not messed up or anything. And I'm gonna just make sure everything goes back in right. But yeah. And these are the new bulbs. I just got some cheap ones because I needed 4 for 2 and 2. So I just got some cheap ones off Amazon. Alright, got this side installed. I also wanted to go with I guess the red with the white backing because I didn't want it to look too red through the taillights and it kind of looked goofy, if that makes sense. But we're about to see how bright they are when I get this other one installed now. Got the other side installed. Hopefully they don't leak. I don't know why they would be, but I got all the extra paper off, made sure it was closed good and everything. It looks like it's this top one. Not really sure why, but gotta see how bright they are now. This is the result. Pretty happy with it. They're bright, everything works. Little update. We got interior LEDs we're gonna put in a minute, but for right now, taking these ugly 4x4 decals off. They're not the ones that came with the truck, and they're also black, and they just don't look right. So I'm just gonna take them off. Somebody else put them on here, so I don't know why I waited so long. I guess I thought I was worried about the paint and everything, but we'll get these lines out and get it cleaned off. There's no residue either, so I think it'll just look way better. Just got it cleaned off. Looks way better overall. I think it just looks so bad on here. So yeah. Then next we're probably gonna have to get a heat gun for this old dealership decal, but we'll get that done one of these days. Alright, so these are the LEDs. It said it was gonna come in an assorted box, but they just threw it in this box. But we're gonna do these, the dome light, and I guess whatever little lights I can find to change out. So for my research, you just pull this, take this out down, pull this out, undo the plug, and then all the lights are kind of just there. So we're gonna just keep going and getting into it. And then this just pulls off. Try not to break anything because I've done that a lot lately, and then gotta replace these bulbs. So yep. All right, we got these in. Everything works. A little bit better than that nasty yellow. So it's plus. So far, so good. All right, so we installed the dome light as well. Try to get my headliner back up. It keeps sagging right here. They got a Velcro strip there from the previous owner, and I get it to stay. I put some more Velcro strips on the other side of this to try to keep it, but I don't think it's working so well. Yeah, it's not really working. But did this dome light, is bright. That one turns off fine, but if you look at these, and these are still kind of dirty and everything, but they're still on. And I looked it up online, and I'm not really sure what to do about it yet, but they're still on. Even when I close the door and everything, and they get dimmer, and maybe they'll cut off. I'm gonna have to check it in the morning. I hope it doesn't kill the battery. But yeah, other than that, everything's good. And it looks way better without those 4x4s. It's probably a different color white right now, but I think when the sun beams on it and kind of cooks it a little bit, it'll be fine. But yeah.